want some easy makeup for a lazy Halloween? Come on, let's make up for lost time.
Hey, I'm maybe Burke and you're watching Makeup for Lost Time. This is my series for trans women and other people who feel like they missed a few classes when it came to learning about makeup.
Now we're going step by step. Last time we showed you this spiderweb eyeliner. Today we're gonna look at this bat wing. Now when I did my eyeliner tutorial, I did show you like a cat eye versus a bat eye. That's not necessarily the bat wing we're talking about. This one is gonna look more like a bat wing, like literally. But we will start with the same basic principle because bat wings do go up at the top, and so we are gonna turn this wing into a bat wing completely. So while in that tutorial, I actually advised against doing this shape for your everyday kind of look. In terms of Halloween, it actually works, especially when we're gonna flesh out the rest of the bat shape. Now to finish out the bat wing, we're just gonna make like 2 extra spikes on the bottom. So the point of the wing will be like the first spike of the wing, and then we're just gonna make a V to make another little spike down there, and then one more as we're connecting it to the eye. And honestly, out of context, this kind of just looks like weird and spiky. But hopefully in the theme of Halloween and within context, we see that this looks like a bat wing. And now this is always true of eyeliner, but especially with a look like this, I can grab some black eyeshadow on a flat brush. I can take some black eyeshadow and press it over what I've done to set that in place. I'm personally doing it right now because this eye is tearing and I see that it might wipe away what's closest to the eye. And so a little powder is going to be my friend, getting that to stick. But also the eyeshadow just helps like mattify, but also keep that bat wing really dark. Just adds pigment that you really wouldn't be able to get otherwise. So there we have 2 eyeliner options for some Halloween fun. Next, I'm gonna show you how I would draw the little ghost, which you can place anywhere. But let me know if you try these out and stick around as we make up for lost time.